Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin in Dress to Impress. This is the perfect item to complete your winning Halloween outfit, whether you're a spooky witch, a scary monster, or just here for the candy. So I'm going to show the exact step and locations. So actually, this pumpkin in here, the jack-o'-lantern cutout in here is pretty new in the Halloween update in 2025. And if you want to get it, you can just go in here in the main lobby where this is where there is this section. You can go in here. So this is the pumpkin. You can just click on it to put it on, but as you guys can see, once you put it on, it's just a simple or a basic pumpkin. So if you want to change or add the craft, the cutout to the pumpkin, here you need to change the design to jack-o'-lantern. But however, when you try to change the design by clicking on this arrow and nothing happens, that's probably because you haven't completed the quest or the daily task in here, the Halloween spotlight or the daily task on DTI, because the jack-o'-lantern is a reward from the body pass. This one's right here. So you need to complete this first to get the crab or the cutout. So when you click on the pumpkin and want to change the design to glitz into jack-o'-lantern, this will happen. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.